Hey everyone, this is Kavya Sridhar. I never thought I'd make a video on this topic because I couldn't wait until after buying all these kitchen gadgets, home appliances for this price and sharing it with you. I straightly come to the point. I randomly opened an application called Shopee while I was scrolling some post on Facebook. This application has so many little chutput things that what we call kitchen gadgets, home appliances for majestic market price. You don't believe it without seeing it. I thought to buy 2 to 3 items, but I have ended up buying 17 items because shipping was free for first order. Also, it has a lot of coupon codes that you can apply for your orders. Let me show you what and all I have ordered. First product I'm going to show you is cotton duster for floor mopping. It comes with 3 pieces for 49 rupees. It costs 16 rupees for each pieces. Length and width of the cloth is pretty large and quality is really good. It is pure cotton and does it chops pretty well. Second item I'm showing is corner and edges dust cleaning brush with mini dustpan. Actually, I got confused and ordered 2 pieces thinking that both are different cause I wanted one for cleaning keypad and another one for cleaning window corner. Both brushes are same but price was different. Quality of both brushes seems same but I don't know why price was different. Anyway, you can check out price detail in description. Third item is music flower candle. Even if this candle was not necessary for me, still I ordered just because the price was too low compared to shop price. You can see some candle has fallen off, but don't worry, you can fix it later. Fourth item is toothbrush cover. This can be used to keep your brush when you are out on tour. Next item is peeler and grater. I don't know, I got crazy and bought it at such a low price. This is so tiny. I just love this product. You must check out my description for price detail. This hook is transparent, reusable for home and kitchen and bathroom. Reusable empty plastic spray bottle too. Capacity of the bottle is 100 ml. I am impressed with the quality. You can use this one to clean window glasses or you can fill any DIY product like rose water or anything. This one is really helpful for DIY lovers just like me. Next one is belt. I have been thinking for a long time to take a golden plated belt. Fortunately, I found it here. Price also reasonable because in other app price was doubled. This one is rubber adjustable belt for sari and dresses. I'm really impressed with the quality. This one is latest women crepe print dress. It's A-line sleeveless crepe material dress. It is so comfortable, lightweight and best for beach wear. This one is X Plus PP and Iron Wine kitchen sink, toilet and bathtub drainage cleaner. When you press the top part, jaw opens wide and when you release it, jaw clamps shut. This tool is very useful to remove trapped material inside the pipe. I bought this LED night lamp light with automatic. I really like this one cause it will function as per availability of the light. Automatic on in darkness. It comes with an automatic sensor which switches on automatically during dark conditions and off when your normal lights are on. Next one is washing machine cleaning detergent tablet. It comes with 5 pieces. Unfortunately, before arriving, one piece was broken, but that's okay. It helps to clean the dirt inside the machine. You must have this item if you are using washing machine. I got this bag for my niece. She is 6 years old. This is perfect for 6 to 9 years old kids. Quality is really good for this price. I saw the same piece near store. Price was doubled actually. 12th item I have bought is Universal Scooty Body Cover. It is the best protection accessory. The cover made of best quality material which protects your bike against UV rays and dust. It comes with the plastic clips which can be used to hold the cover onto your scooty even in heavy wind. Next one is dough mat. I got this for 34 rupees. Quality is really good. Again, I like this product too. This product arrived today, so let me show you which one it is. Rice washing bowl. It prevents food from getting wasted while straining water from the bowl. You can wash rice, dal, grain, fruits and strain noodles, etc. This is also one of the helpful material you must have in kitchen. Last but not the least, washing machine cover. This one is front-loaded washing machine cover made out of best quality materials which protects your washing machine from dust. Unfortunately, I have sent it to my husband's place, so I can't show you now.